The moment I stepped onto the runway and saw this metallic orange and silver private jet glowing under the early sky, I knew immediately that this wasn't an aircraft designed to impress by size, or by extravagance, or by any traditional definition of luxury. Instead, it radiated something sharper, precision, modern engineering, and a kind of futuristic presence that felt alive. The windows illuminated in warm orange made the jet look like a vessel carved out of light itself. And as soon as I walked inside, everything changed. The door sealed behind me, the warm glow wrapped around the curved walls, and suddenly it didn't feel like I was entering a jet. It felt like stepping into a world that belonged entirely to billionaires who redesigned luxury according to their own rules. We begin the tour inside the master bedroom, Lunar Sky Suite, and the first thing that hits you is the harmony of color, metallic orange and satin silver shaping the entire room. The walls curve perfectly with the fuselage, finished in soft brushed silver, while the bed floats on an illuminated orange base that makes it look weightless. The bedding is charcoal gray with thin orange accents, reflecting just enough light to stay warm without breaking the design. The elongated aircraft windows follow the jet's exact silhouette, glowing softly from within. Every surface is smooth, every edge polished, and hidden storage wraps around the room so cleanly that nothing feels crowded. Even though the room is compact, as all true jet bedrooms must be, it feels intentional, private, and impossibly luxurious. Right next to it is the dressing suite, a space that feels like a personal fashion vault in the sky. The moment the sliding silver doors open, you're met with a warm orange backlight revealing half-open wardrobes, each lined with elegant clothing in muted tones, dusty olive, matte navy, deep maroon, brushed beige, and soft grays. Every hanger is chrome, every fabric looks hand-selected. Accessories sit in velvet-lined trays, sunglasses, cufflinks, watches, perfumes, neatly organized as if curated by a stylist. On the opposite side, a floating vanity with a halo mirror glows in soft orange, making the space feel intimate yet modern. It's compact, but the layout is so efficient that it feels like a fully functional dressing studio compressed into pure elegance. Moving forward, we enter the executive office, Platinum Command Cabin, where work meets engineering in the most elevated way possible. The desk is a sleek black glass slab built directly into the jet's curve, trimmed with metallic orange edges. A laptop, a notebook, a chrome pen, and a minimal set of office essentials lie perfectly centered, showing that this is a place where important decisions are made mid-flight. The chair, a sculpted graphite seat with orange stitching, faces a panoramic window that displays the world sliding past in silence. The lighting above is thin, white, and precise, designed to illuminate without overwhelming. Even though the cabin is compact, the energy feels powerful, like the command center of someone who runs empires at 40,000 feet. Next up is the Sky Lounge, Obsidian Horizon Deck, and this space transforms the mood instantly. Two slim sofas, upholstered in deep gray with metallic orange piping, stretch along the sides of the fuselage. Between them sits a dark obsidian table with soft orange reflections glowing beneath it. The windows shine with warm internal light, creating a sunset-like tone even when the sky outside is dark. Shelves along the walls display minimal decor, sculptures, books, and glass accessories, all kept in a restrained palette that never distracts from the orange-silver theme. It feels like a private lounge inside a high-end hotel, compressed into the perfect width of a jet. As we move forward, the corridor opens into the kitchen and dining, Silver Horizon Deck, designed with the kind of engineering precision that only compact luxury can achieve. The cabinetry is divided into two zones, upper compartments in metallic orange, lower compartments in brushed silver. On the counter, a black glass induction cooktop is sharply separated from a silver sink, ensuring clarity and cleanliness. A small arrangement of wine glasses, utensils, and kitchen essentials rests neatly along the backsplash. Across from the counter, two fixed stools, metallic orange with chrome bases, stand at a slim dining ledge facing the window. Despite the minimal footprint, the space feels elegant, bright, and extremely functional. Further inside, we arrive at the bathroom, Frost Suite, a masterpiece of compact design. The walls are a soft titanium silver with delicate horizontal textures, while the sink is carved from black marble with fine white veining. A halo mirror glows in warm orange, adding depth and reflection. The shower pod is smoked glass with a soft backlight, turning the small chamber into a futuristic capsule. Chrome fixtures shine against the dark stone floor, and every inch of space feels intentional. It's small, but it radiates the sophistication of a luxury hotel suite. Next is one of my personal favorites, the Cinema Lounge, Zero Gravity Bay. Two dark graphite recliners sit opposite a wide display embedded into the curved wall. Orange ambient lighting runs across the ceiling and beneath the seats, making the entire cabin feel like a floating entertainment pod. Acoustic panels blend seamlessly into the structure, turning the small space into a private theater where movies feel larger than life. The compactness actually enhances the immersion. You feel completely pulled into whatever you're watching. Moving ahead, the jet transitions into the bar and observation deck, Silver Horizon Lounge. A glossy black bar counter runs beneath the windows, underlit with warm orange. Two metallic silver stools with orange leather tops stand neatly at the bar. Behind it, a minimalist shelf displays a curated selection of premium bottles and crystal glasses. The lighting is soft, warm, and reflective, giving the bar a rich glow. Despite being compact, the space feels like the perfect mid-flight gathering point. Further forward is the Sky Spa, compact platinum pool cabin, perhaps the most surreal room in the entire jet. The circular micropool, finished in obsidian stone with glowing orange edges, sits gently recessed into the silver floor. The curved walls wrap the room like a cocoon, illuminated by a soft overhead dome light. The water reflects the warm glow beautifully, giving the illusion of floating light. A single ergonomic lounger sits beside the pool, minimalist, quiet, and impossibly luxurious. Finally, we reach the cockpit, lunar command deck, where the jet's engineering truly shines. Metallic orange arcs sweep across the instrument panel and overhead systems, contrasted by polished silver framing. The twin pilot seats, shaped in orange shells with silver bases, give the cockpit a futuristic power. Screens glow in cool blue-white, mixing perfectly with the warm interior light. And through the panoramic windshield, the sky stretches endlessly, reminding you that this entire masterpiece exists to move through the world with speed, control, and impossible style. And that completes our full tour of this extraordinary jet, a floating villa of metallic orange and silver, engineered not just for travel but for domination of the skies. If you love this tour, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another journey into the world of ultra-luxury design. This is only the beginning. Your next flight into the future starts right here.